Bear here with another Code Wars challenge. This one's a level 8. We're doing it in Python. It's called Area or Perimeter. And as always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes if you want to try it out before watching the video. So you're given a length and the width of a four-sided polygon. The polygon can either be a rectangle or a square. If it's a square, return the area. If it's a rectangle, return the perimeter. All right, so if it's a square, then that means the two sides are going to be the same, in which case we would multiply them, or we do the area. Okay. So let's try this out. Okay, so there's the length times width. All right, so if it's a square, in other words, if they're the same, so if L equals W, we're going to return the area, L times W. Otherwise, we're going to return 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. All right, we'll test that out. So far, so good. Drum roll. And huzzah.